Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna share with you some news about market, and also I'm gonna share you some of my market analysis. They're all my personal thought, personal idea. I just wanted to let you know at first. If you agreed on it, I can move on. So what happened in weekends? There is have huge drops in market. There's too many reasons, but first of all, I can say these things cause 70% of the drops. There is a lot of protest in America, and I can say this. It's all about politic chaos, politic confusion, but of course, end of the story, it affects markets. American police, United States police, killed some of their citizens, and even they killed some of unarmed people. That's why after those protests, there is another protest happened just because of this, and it got increased and increased. Still, it's continue. So of course, it's made some drops on market, and it's let gold rise more, because when there is some problem, some politics stuff, war, gold keep rising. And another things again about Trump, I guess we will continue with Trump, but he not shut his mouth. So what to do? There was, Canada is a different country, but the problem, Trump pretending like Canada their village or some city. Anyway, Canada just wanted to make some business collaboration with China, but the things, when Trump know it, he just treat Canada to additional increase on tariff to up to 100%. So we were expecting some like strong move on side of Canada, but it not happen. When Canada hear that, they just step back, and yes, did they agreed kinda, but the things it's also affecting in market. Also this week is very risky week, I can say it, because this week have Fed. We are expecting they're gonna remain this interest rate stable, but anyway, there still have Fed, and always there's some another odds. Also, United States preparing for recession. That's also another topic. It's also a big problem, and I can say we are expecting on Friday like this kind of news, and it's not going to be a surprise. All these things affecting crypto, affecting us, except gold and silver. But anyway, we will see them too. So let's talk about crypto market now. What happened in total? As I told you at our last video, total made some triangle. If it's break up, it will reach 3.15 trillion. If it's drop down, it will drop down. I didn't give specific place, but I can say now, if it's drop down, if this is a retest, if it's drop down, it will reach 2.78 trillion. Yes, it looks bad, but that's okay. We are trader, we are making when market rise, when market drop, that's okay for us. When price drop that part, we will know that price get cheaper, and we will make some invest. That's the things. So far, I mean, at least today, we need to see what is the direction. If this is retest, it will make very big problem for short period of time, because there is, as I told you, too many risky things like Fed, recession, some politic confusion in United States. If total not break up 3 trillion, it will drop down to 2.78 trillion. It's basically like that. So, and about Bitcoin, its dominance again, gosh. About Bitcoin also, as I told you, it's also made some triangle. If it's break down, I told it would come 82.200, or let's say straight away 82. It's better. I don't like plus. Okay, let's make it 82. And it's breakdown of the triangle, and it's, where is it? It's also yes, I remember now. When it breakdown of 87k, I told you that it will drop till 82k. Now it's just drop down and rise, but it might be retest. That's why we cannot get sure. It's better to wait. But I can say this: when it's dropped to 82k, it will just rise straight away 5%. I'm keeping it here. You will see it. If it drop here, maybe it will just remain like weeks. It will rise straight away. So about gold and silver, yes. About gold, of course, after those much bad news in USA, Fed and recession odds, of course it didn't like drop down. I was just hoping if it would make lower head over there, it might go to head and shoulder, but it didn't. That's why I'm gonna delete it. But the things I said you, if it's broke up this line, these boxes, it will rise. And of course with the news which supported, it keep rising. For now, I can say for gold, I can even open position because as I see in the news, there is nothing going well. Let me just pull it that. Yes, that's okay. Let's make 82 is better. Yep, I can say that gold might make some zigzag movement, and when it came here, it will give again another opportunity to buy, and I believe that it will rise till 5k 5282. So I can move that over here, and let's keep another, that one here. Yes, so I can make my stop loss there. If gold drop down this level, and if it drop down sharply, I can say it will drop till 4.545. And yes, that's it. So far that's it. Let's see about silver. And yes, it's going very well. As you remember, I told you that if it's not max head and shoulder, same as gold, it will rise after 102. Yes, it's here, and it will rise 12%. It's almost goes. Let me just pull that side. Yes, yes, it's still rising, and I'm expecting it will make some drop or rest, whatever it is. It's also up to news. It will make some things on 114. This is the key level, I can say it. But as you see, it's really let us earn pretty good money in those market, almost 7%, and they still have enough total 12%. That's good. So what else we have in Ethereum? At the previous video, I told you that if it's not make head and shoulders, if it's not make lower low, it might make double top, sorry, double bottom, but the things it's made it. So then I can change it like that, because this time I believe that Ethereum might make this movement. Now I'm expecting another like that. But I can say after 3000, let's say 3000 straight, it will rise and it will finish the head and shoulder. But just in case if everything goes wrong, bad, market drops so sharply, I can say there's have also short positions. So in both way we're gonna earn. If it rise, we will open long. If it drop, we will open short position. And the short, I can say, where is my tool first of all? Yes. Yes, this level. Yes, exactly this area. If Ethereum cannot make this head and shoulder formation or cannot rise in any way, if it's dropped down on 2724, I'm telling you that it will drop down so sharply till 2530 or 500, like that. So we have two way. If market goes rise, we will make some, position after the here, or we will expect for some drops, but in like end of the story we're gonna earn from both way. That's okay. And BNB still made some movement inside of my box. When I gave you, I don't remember where we were, but I am 100% sure we see that part. And that moment you still got these boxes. So after it's still moved inside of that boxes, even it gave some for percentage, and in this market it's good, I can say it. Now I might consider it might make some rise again after this box, because it's collect good, as you see, with nice candle. I can make some short long position for myself, none of you. So I can expect a little more drop, and let's make under of it. Yep. Because when BNB makes a movement, it make really sharply movement. If BNB come into my position, I'm expecting some rise till 922, and here have 5.7 percentage profit. That's good. So there is too many things. Let me just delete them. And of course it's break up that level 2. There is another position, it's waiting for it. Bitcoin Cash, this is the powerful coin in the market, I can say it, because all of them drop and made lower low, but S didn't make it. It's just made double top. I can say with double it can come our previous position, and I'm still thinking it's gonna happen. I'm strongly agreed. Yeah, let's wait for it. Let's wait for breakup, and after breakup it will keep rise till 38. Sol, what happened? Sol, this one just made stop. That's okay, it's just small percentage, as long as we made some stop loss. And after that, as you see, if you didn't make stop loss, for God's sake, it would make loses. It would cause 6% drop, so it's not okay. So Solana not look good, I can say it. If Solana not rise over 128, it will drop down. So that's why I'll pass it. XRP. In XRP, it still didn't break this channel, but the things, yes, after its breakup, I'm like pretty sure it will give that percentage. And even, boss got crazy, I will make it 10%. Yes. Because if XRP break up this, it also makes some sharply movement. I know that it will give this 10% with me very fast. But the things we need to wait break up and we need to get unsure about it, That's it. And after this, it's passing too many heads. That's okay. So far there's have dropped, there's have too many, confusion in market, in United States, in world. There's still have Iran, there's have still some other problem in China, Canada, but that's okay. If market goes bad, we will open short. If goes good, we will open long. That's not affecting us at all. So far, these are my analysis for today. I'll see you tomorrow.